You won't cluckin' believe what HTVRont sent me. A brand new auto tumbler heat press to test out on my channel. It feels like Christmas. HTVRont, thank you so much for sending me this. I've been seeing these all over the internet and I've been dying to get my hands on one. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Kerri. On my channel, I share all of my favorite Cricut projects, tools, tips, and tricks with you. I also have a bunch of videos sharing how you can turn your Cricut hobby into a money-making business. If this sounds good to you, make sure you've subscribed and have notifications turned on because I post fun new content like this every week. I'd also love and appreciate it if you hit that thumbs up button because that simple click of a button really helps my small business grow here on YouTube. I am beyond excited to unbox and demonstrate the incredible HTVRont Auto Tumbler Heat Press. This beauty right here is a game changer for sublimating mugs and tumblers. Not only is it fast and efficient, but it also allows you to double your productivity by pressing 2 mugs at the same time. If you're interested in purchasing one of these auto tumbler heat presses, you're in luck. HTVRont has some incredible Black Friday deals and exclusive promo codes that you'll only find here on my channel. Keep watching because I'll tell you more about that at the end of this video. Alright, let's open up this bad boy and see what's inside. The packaging seems pretty sturdy, which is important when you want your machine to get here all in one piece. We've got the user manual, definitely worth the read to understand all the function and features it has to offer, some thermal tape, and some protective gloves. And here's the star of the show, the HTVRont Auto Tumbler Heat Press itself. It's sleek, compact, and lightweight, perfect for any workspace. Assembling this heat press seems pretty straightforward. All you have to do is plug it into the wall and press the power button. Now let's take a closer look at the control panel. It's user-friendly with clear buttons for temperature and timer adjustments. Plus, the digital display makes monitoring the heat settings a breeze. Changing the temperature and time is so easy and straightforward. If you want to adjust the temperature, click the button that looks like a thermometer and adjust it as needed. To adjust the time, click on the clock and set it to how many seconds you want the machine to press for. Once the tumbler heat press reaches the temperature you've set it to, the R button changes from red to green. Then you can slide your mug in and press start. I'm going to test out a few different size mugs in this video. I have some 11-ounce sublimation mugs that I bought on Amazon from a company called Twisted Envy. I also have some 15-ounce mugs from Amuse, also purchased on Amazon. The 11-ounce mugs fit perfectly in this automatic mug press. The 15-ounce mugs are a different story. They just barely fit in the heat press. I can slide it in, but I'm worried about breaking it. The smaller mugs are definitely the way to go. I found these designs from Fabrica and I thought they would be so fun to make some festive Christmas Cricut projects with. I get all of my fonts, designs, and graphics from Fabrica. If you're interested in signing up for a free trial, I have a link down below in my video description. Fabrica will also be having some awesome Black Friday deals with the lowest all-access subscription prices of the year. The all-access subscription lets you download as much as you want whenever you want. That's why it's called All Access. All you have to do is click the big green download button and upload the design into Cricut Design Space. Click Upload, Upload Image, Browse, select your file, and click Open. Select Complex and Continue. Make sure the background has been removed, then click Apply and Continue. Select Print and Cut Image, then Upload. Now you can grab a ruler and measure your mug. Then resize your design in Cricut Design Space. Click Make It in the upper right-hand corner. Make sure you mirror your image when sublimating a coffee mug or tumbler, otherwise your design will be backwards. Then click Continue, Send to Printer, and select your Sublimation printer from the drop-down menu. Turn the bleed off and the system dialog on, then click Print. Select Preferences, and I change my color to high quality. I also have to change my paper source to paper cassette 2 so the printer pulls my sublimation paper from the second tray. I use an Epson Workforce 7210 that I converted to a sublimation printer with Hippo ink. After your design finishes printing, you can cut it out with scissors. Then tape the design to the mug using the thermal tape that HTVRont included in the box. I changed my time and temperature to 390 degrees for 240 seconds. Then slide your mug in and press the R button. The machine automatically does its thing, wrapping tightly around the mug and counting down. And here we go. The temperature is at 390 degrees and the timer is ticking down. It's incredible how fast and efficient this process is. In just a few minutes, we'll have beautifully sublimated mugs ready to go. Once the timer reaches 0, it starts beeping and automatically opens. Put on some gloves and carefully pull out the mug. Be careful because it's burning hot. It's been cooking at almost 400 degrees for 4 minutes. I like to let my mug cool down on the other glove for about 5 to 10 minutes before peeling off the paper. I use my weeding tool to lift up the tape and then peel it off. Whoa, check that out! These mugs have turned out absolutely stunning. The colors are vibrant and the design is flawless. The HTVRont Auto Tumbler Heat Press did an incredible job in such a short time. I am genuinely impressed by how fast, fun, and easy it is to use the HTVRont Auto Tumbler Heat Press. Sublimating mugs has never been this efficient, especially with the ability to do 2 mugs at once. This is definitely a game changer for any printing business or hobbyist out there. Now let's talk about those deals. Machines like the Auto Heat Press, Auto Tumbler Press, and Locklick Cutting Machine will be the lowest prices of the year. If you haven't heard yet, HTVRont came out with their own brand of cutting machine called the Locklick. It's very similar to the Cricut Explore Air 2, but only a fraction of the price. Normally it's listed at $169.99, but with the Black Friday sale, it's dropped down to $129.99. The normally $300 priced Auto Heat Press has also dropped down to $221.99. From now until November 28th, you can save $15 off of the Auto Tumbler Heat Press, the Locklick Cutting Machine, and their machine bundles. Enter code KPBQFV at checkout to save $15. If you spend over $89 on vinyl, you can save an additional $25 off. Thanks for joining me today on this unboxing and demonstration of the HTVRont Auto Tumbler Heat Press. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.